Joining me today on NYSE Floor Talk is Norma Chu. She is the founder and CEO at DayDayCook. Norma, it is wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me today.
Thanks for having me, Judy. I'm really glad to be here.
Well, congratulations are in order. You went public today on the New York Stock Exchange. You rang the first trade bell and you broke the gavel.
Well, apparently it's very lucky, so.
It is lucky. So now tell me, what does this milestone mean to you, Norma?
Oh my gosh, it means so much to me as a founder. I mean, for the past 12 years, we've worked towards building this company, and I didn't think about being here today 12 years ago, but being here means a lot. I mean, now we're part of a very small and exclusive group of founders that have been able to list a company on the New York Stock Exchange. So wonderful news. And for the company, I think this is a fantastic platform, giving us a lot of resources and exposure as we continue to grow out and share the story of sharing Asian cooking culture with the world.
So you launched the company in 2012. Tell me about the company and how it's evolved since then.
Yeah, I mean, 2012, I grew up in the States and I used to spend a lot of time at home in the kitchen with my family and friends. So cooking has always been a very special part of my life, and the business really started out of that passion. And over the years, in the beginning, we were doing a lot of cooking content, and I really wanted to generate a brand and platform that can encourage the younger generation to enjoy cooking. And from that, we went on to doing content commerce. And a few years ago, we decided to launch our own branded products, which essentially what we're doing right now is all consumer food products, really helping the younger generation to enjoy the fun of cooking at home with our products.
So you're a publicly traded company now. Tell me, what's your growth strategy?
Oh my gosh, I mean, we started out in mainland China, but our vision for the company is definitely global. We recently completed an acquisition of Nona Lim here in the US, and the US market is just a fantastic market for us to continue to grow going forward. So we definitely have a lot of ideas in terms of growing our M&A pipeline and opportunities, but it's not just really limited in the US. The growth and demand for convenient Asian meal solution, we're really seeing it across different markets in the world. So we're also finding some very interesting opportunities in other parts of the world like Europe, Southeast Asia, and also in Australia.
And Norma, where can people buy your products?
Right now you can find the Nona Lim products in like Whole Foods, Target, Kroger, and also across a lot of different e-commerce platforms.
All right, now, what area of the food industry are you most excited about?
Well, I'm definitely the most excited about our current sector, which is really demand for convenient Asian meal product solutions. I mean, there's just like so many different driving force behind the growth that we're seeing. The first one, I think there's been a structural change in consumer behavior, really driving convenience demand for a younger consumer for them to cook at home. Second one, I think it's like some social trends like working from home. So in general, more families are cooking probably 6 to 7 or 8 meals per week at home now. So all these factors are really driving this exciting space that we're in right now.
And finally, Norma, as a female founder, tell me, what advice do you have for other female founders who are looking to go public one day?
I think being public is exciting and is part of the growth journey. But as an entrepreneur, I think I always say this: do your best, forget the rest. I think it's really just about going after what you think that you really want to achieve, and just going after that dream and dream big.
All right. Well, that's great advice, Norma. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, Judy.
Welcome to the NYSE family.
Thank you so much.